Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to Spilt cell on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any document. After that you have to select here all the tables. So just click on this arrow icon. Then you have to click on table layout option. Now here on the merge option you can see Spilt cell option. Then just click here. Then you have to select number of columns. If I select 4, then select number of row. Then you have to check this option and then click on OK, and it's done. And that way you can Spilt cell. You can also Spilt any specific cell. At first you have to just select the specific cell, then click on Spilt cell option again, then just click on OK, and it's done. Also if you want to Spilt these two cells, just select it, then click on Spilt cell, and it's done. And that is how you can Spilt cells on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.